Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to lock your CryptoPro app with your Touch ID. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the CryptoPro app, then go to the settings menu, and in the settings menu on the top of the screen, just below the general icon, you will see the security icon. And when you tap on it, it's going to open the security tab, and here you have three switches. The lock app with Touch ID, which I'm talking about. If you turn this on, you can use your Touch ID to open the app. There are also two more security options that allow on Today widget, which means that it shows your portfolio details on your home screen, and blur in multitasking, which means that it is going to blur your details when you use multitasking on your iPhone or iPad. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.